For this edit, you need two apps. One is Capcut and another one is Videoleap. Open the Videoleap app. Just click on sign up with Google account or another account. Then click on edit photo. Then select the images you want to convert. Then click on AI filter. Here many options are there. Then click on AI filter. Then click on scene. Here is the scene option. Click on scene. Then here you can see the image has been converted. Here is the result. Click on level 5. Then click on done and click on save image. Then again repeat the same process. Click on AI filter, click on scene, then convert the image, choose level 5, then click on done. Here click on done, then click on save image. Again save. Your image has been saved on your gallery. Then repeat the same process. Now open the editor app. I use Capcut for this editing. Now open Capcut app and click on new project and add the video which has the audio of it. Click on add, then extract the audio. Now add. Now according the sound, trim the audio. Trim the video, sorry. Trim the video according to the audio. I randomly cutting the video. Go, just click on the video and click on replace. Then select the old image which and adjust the photo. Then click on the second video. Then click on replace. Then click on photo. Then choose the AI generated image. Repeat the process.